Alright, today we have a quick and easy lesson titled Changing Percents to Decimals. Let's look at the percent 35%. Now we know percentages are based on 100, so 35% can actually be written as 35 over 100, which truly means 35 divided by 100. So if we were to divide that out, 35 divided by 100, I'll put in my decimal point, bring it up, tack on a couple zeros, which I'll probably need, and I can see that 100 goes into 35 0 times, so I'll add my placeholder. 100 goes into 350 3 times, which would be 300. Subtract, bring down my 0, and I end up with 100 going into 500 5 times, and I end up with this answer here of 0 and 35 hundredths. So that's mathematically how you get from 35% all the way to the decimal number. However, there's a much quicker and simpler way. If you have 35%, you know that again, it's 35 divided by 100, and our little trick is to count up the total number of zeros. So if you put 35 down, you're going to count over 1 2 zeros, 1 2 zeros, put in your decimal, and have your 0 as a placeholder. That being said, you can take any percentage rather, like 5%, and move the decimal over 1 2 places, and you end up with an answer of 0.05. So quickly, at any moment, you can take a percentage, 15%, move it over twice, and you end up with your decimal number. So go ahead, practice a couple here. We'll give you a couple percentages. Try 65%, 93%, and here's a toughie. How about 225%? Pause the video, come back when you're ready. Alright, so if you followed that same procedure again, just move your decimal over to the left 2 places. Whoop, don't want that. Let me back that up a little bit. 0 and 65 hundredths, 0 and 93 hundredths. And this one was a little bit different, but the same procedure still follows. 2 and 25 hundredths. If you got those correct, give yourself a nice star. And that's the end of today's lesson.